Okay, these cases are so beat up I have to put them in the mill and flatten them out. It's got a big hump through here. So filing is not going to get it done. And this one has the same issue. So instead of screwing around with that file, getting half-assed, we just slap it up in the mill real quick. We'll do a skim coat across this thing and knock it down so I can mock up this motor, see what I got. See what parts and pieces I got to come up with to make it a complete motor again. So this is what we do. Besides, this is fun. I like this. This is always fun doing this crap. What else we do when you got nothing else to do? Okay, so make sure we don't knock these dowel pins out here. That'd be a problem. Let's see, someone's been over screwing all this damn thing. 0. Perfect. Alright, so we're just going to knock off this high spot over in this area here. See what we got to work with. I don't know how uneven this whole case is after being blown up, so I'll do a couple checks over here with a feeler gauge. So we'll just grab ourselves a feeler gauge here to check it with when we're done here. So there's my thick ones. There's a thick one. These are 10 thou. So we'll come back and check the height of this and see how close it is when we're done here. Okay, so I'm just going to knock this down a little bit. That's all I'm going to do. Smooth it up. Finally. Okay. 15 thou went there. A little extra, 14. Okay, quit hitting. High. Way high. Alright. I'm going to make that a 0. Back it off 10 thou. I'm still going to hit. Oh yeah, it's still hitting. Back it off 20 thou. There we go. Back to 0. It's going to cut like crazy here in a minute. That's a high spot. There's something down here too. Back that off a little bit. Back to 0. Yep. Okay, so that's bad down there too. Not surprised I'm not an impact. cutting a little bit right down there at the bottom right now. I can hit this again, make sure this is flat. There's the light. Move this thing up a little bit. Do all day. It's not like this is a finished job. At least now we can see how far out it is though. Quite a bit. Doesn't look like we're going to hit any more over here. Nope, we're good over here. Alright. So this case is relatively flat. I assume this is bad through here too. It looks pretty bad. Let's go ahead and run that across. Ooh, almost hit my dowel pin. Yep, there we go, hitting right there, see? Yep, we hit. Okay. This case is flattened out. Coming off the cam cover surface, which is all we got to work with. So it's not the best in the world, but it'll work. Okay. So much for using that. So I'm going to put the other side up in here and check it. Get that out of my way so I don't poke myself. At least now I can bolt the two halves together once I get both sides machines flat again. Got a little welding to do to fix it. Alright. Alright. Next side. So this one we got this surface here to come off. There's no alternator pad here because it's gone. Race bikes don't need alternators. So this is the only thing we got to come off of that might be flat. Not too sure about that flat part either. That's all I got. Doesn't sound too flat, does it? Okay. Appears to have a couple of stress cracks in it. There, see, that's stress crack right through there. That's a stress crack. That's called a window. There's a hole right there. That's an oil leak. Gets rid of your windage. Okay. So we need to get some material up there. Camera shut off. I don't know what happened. Oh well, I know where we're at. Alright, I put all these blocks down. These are all real flat. So this gives me a large area around this whole surface here. Hopefully I get the case relatively flat. With enough area to go across, it should be fairly close, hopefully. So all we can do is hope for the best, because it definitely is not a good case. Where's the hole at? There we go, way over there. That'll work. Ah, come on. Okay. place. See, that's what that's for, to give you clearance for the wrench to tighten it down. There. Custom. Alright, so now we're going to see how flat this thing really is. Probably not very. Okay. I'll just drop it down the rest of the way. Close right there. Make that 0. Tin towel feeler gauge. Yeah, that's a long ways from 0. Sealer right there. Okay, that was another 1/8 thou down. Let's go check over here. That's another 5. It's 12 over there. So instead of using a dial indicator, you can just use a shim. 11 over there. That's pretty broken up, so I'm good enough with that. Okay, so that's the number we had. Yeah. Close. Yeah, it looks like we're within 5 for the whole surface. Okay, I'll go ahead and cut this. This one has no dowel, so I can cut the whole surface if I want. Okay, we're going to be, should be good. Good. The gasket material. Starting to cut. more than I want to. That's 2 thou. And I backed it off to only 1 thou. Wrong button. See how the surface is uneven because it's been, the case is all warped off, it's been being blown up. Cutting all through down there though. I'm surprised it's this flat actually, it's within about 3 thou. Shows you how thick and strong these cases were. I'm 1 thou up from the other side. That's where we cut over here. Let's see if the center part hits. Probably just twist it. Nope. Didn't hit it. Alright. Across this surface again. Shouldn't hit it. It's 1 thou up. Yeah, it looks like it's missing it. Yep. All right. So there we go. Okay, so you should be able to bolt these together now. Couldn't do it before. I don't know if the crank's going to hit on all this crap under here. I'm going to take it back real quick and hit it with a die grinder, knock off this heavy shit. Just in case the crank is going to hit. You never know how close these things are. A lot more accurate than a file, that's for sure. And now I know what I'm working with. A lot better than I thought it was going to be. Alright. These things are heavy. This weighs as much as one whole full set of cases weigh. Alright. Yep. Slide along pretty nicely. I'm not engaging the dowels just yet, but yeah, they're nice and flat now. Okay, I'm going to go clean these up, and we'll be back.